Above a Yellowstone river, a bald eagle sat completely still. So still, the wind checked twice to make sure she was alive. Below her, fish darted through the water. Fast fish? Confident fish. The eagle leaned forward, paused, leaned back. Nothing happened. Minutes passed. Her talons twitched. Her stomach made a very unhelpful noise. Waiting is not boring when you know what you're waiting for. The eagle watched the current. She studied the ripples. She ignored the splash that wasn't quite right. Then, suddenly she dove. One clean drop. One sharp turn. One surprised fish. The eagle lifted back into the sky, steady and sure, because she hadn't rushed. She'd waited. In Yellowstone, patience isn't slow. It's powerful.